Today we are gonna learn and practice some vocabulary about Guy Fawkes Night. Today we commemorate the attempt to kill the king and blow up the House of Parliament. When you wanna make something explode, we say that you wanna make blow up. Okay, blow up, to make explode, to blow up. In order to blow up, you need gunpowder, and you put the gunpowder inside a barrel. In the past, they used barrels in order to put the gunpowder. These days, children dress up using a Guy Fawkes mask. And they parade asking for a penny. It's also common to make a bonfire. In order to make a bonfire, it's common to use straw, and it's very beautiful to look at the fireworks. This is the Guy Fawkes Night vocabulary. Don't forget to give like and subscribe and comment to English Everyday.